Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lava Competitive World. Dream big, work hard, make it happen. This is my first channel. I would like to post videos related to competitive exams. I will cover aptitude, reasoning, English and static GK videos. I hope all you guys encourage me to grow in this field. Without any further ado, let's start our first video. Today I am going to tell important temples in India which are useful for all competitive exam. Let's start our video. First coming to Andhra Pradesh, Tirumala Tirupati temple, which is also called as Lord Venkateshwara Swami temple. In this picture you can see the temple. In coming to Arunachal Pradesh, Malnithan temple is a famous temple from Arunachal Pradesh. And next to Assam, Kamakhya temple. And next coming to Bihar, Mahabodhi temple. In this picture you can see the Mahabodhi temple. And next Chhattisgarh, Barumdeo temple is the important temple from Chhattisgarh. Coming to Delhi, there are many important temples. Let's check one by one. Birla Mandir. There are many Birla Mandirs in India. One from Delhi, another from Telangana, Hyderabad, and also we have one more from West Bengal and one more from Rajasthan. Birla Mandir in Delhi is called Lakshmi Narayan temple, and Akshardham temple, you can see it in the image. Akshardham temple is also from Delhi, and Digambaram Jain temple, it is a Jainese temple, and ISKCON temple and Lotus temple. These 5 temples are from Delhi. Next coming to Gujarat, Somnath temple. Here you can see the image of that temple, particular temple, and Swami Narayan Akshardham temple. In Delhi also you had seen the Akshardham temple. The second image, Akshardham temple. We have one more Akshardham temple in Gujarat which is called as Swami Narayan Akshardham temple. And Dwarka, this temple is also from Gujarat. Next coming to Haryana, Markandeshwar Mahadev temple. This is an important temple from Haryana. In Himachal Pradesh, 2 important temples are there, Jwalamukhi temple and Hadimba Devi temple. These 2 temples are important from Himachal Pradesh. Next coming to Jammu and Kashmir, there are many temples, but I am going to discuss only few important temples. There are Shankaracharya temple, Vaishno Devi temple, Amarnath temple, Lord Shiva temple, Ranbireshwar temple and Raghunath temple. These 5 temples are from Jammu and Kashmir. You can see the related images of those temples in Jammu and Kashmir. Next coming to Karnataka, there are many temples in Karnataka. Let's discuss the important temples from Karnataka. Virupaksha temple, here is the image of Virupaksha temple, and Vitali temple, Hampi. Yeah, you will come across the word Hampi. On the new currency note, 50 note, backside of it, Hampi motif will be there. And next, Chamundeshwari temple is also from Karnataka, and Gomateshwara temple is also from Karnataka. Here you can see the statue, the Gomateshwara temple. In Karnataka, few more temples are there. There are Pattabhirama temple, Chennakesava temple, Hoysaleswar temple, Brudeshwar temple and Sringeri temple. These 5 and previous 4. These 9 temples are important from Karnataka. Next coming to Kerala. In Kerala, Padmanabha Swami temple, which is well known to everyone, the richest temple, and Sabarimala temple of Lord Ayyappa. Vadakunath temple and Guruvayur temple. These four temples are important from Kerala. Next, coming to Madhya Pradesh, Sanchi Stupa. Yes, we can see the image of this Sanchi Stupa on the new currency note 200. On this note, backside of the 200 note, you can see the motif Sanchi Stupa. Khajuraho temple. Here is the Khajuraho temple and Chaturbhuj temple. This is the Chaturbhuj temple. All these three are important temples from Madhya Pradesh. Next, coming to Maharashtra, Shani Singnapur temple and Siddhi Vinayaka temple and Shirdi Sai Baba, well-known temple of Lord Sai Baba. These three are important temples from Maharashtra. Next, coming to Odisha, Jagannatha temple, where the Dhanu Jatra takes place here. The Jagannatha temple is from Odisha. And Rajarani temple, Lingaraja temple and Mukteshwar temple. All these temples are from Odisha. And few more temples from Odisha are Konark Sun temple and Brahmeshwar temple and Gundicha temple. These three temples are also important from Odisha. Next, coming to Punjab, we have two important temples. The Golden Temple from Amritsar, which looks like this. In the pic, you can see the Golden Temple from Amritsar and Durgaina temple. These two temples are from Punjab. And coming to Rajasthan, Birla Mandir. Yeah, we came across many Birla Mandir. This is the Birla Mandir from Rajasthan, Jaipur. And Rangkapur temple is also from Rajasthan. Dilwara temple, Nathdwara Srinathji temple is also from. To Sikkim, one important temple is Kirateshwar Mahadev temple. This is the temple look like. It is from Sikkim. And coming to Tamil Nadu, there are many important temples. Let's see one by one. Ranganath Swami temple and Ramnath Swami temple. One more, Rajgopala Swami temple, Rameshwaram temple. These four temples are from Tamil Nadu. And few more temples from Tamil Nadu are Suchindram temple. Here you can see it. And Mahabalipuram Shore temple. This temple simply can be called as Shore temple or Mahabalipuram Shore temple. Kanchipuram temple, where we can find the lizard, golden and silver lizards. A famous Kanchipuram temple. Airavoteshwar temple. They are all from Tamil Nadu. And few more temples from Tamil Nadu are Kailasanatha temple, Annamalaya temple, which is also called as Tiruvannamalai or Arunachaleshwar temple. Sri Puram temple is a famous temple with a good architecture, and it is also called as a golden temple of Tamil Nadu. The Sri Puram temple. Nataraj temple or Chidambara Tillai Nataraj is also from Tamil Nadu, this temple. And coming to Brihadeshwar Tanjore temple is from Tamil Nadu, and Meenakshi temple is also important temple from Tamil Nadu. Next, coming to Telangana, Jnana Saraswati temple. Goddess Saraswati present here. And one more temple is Sri Sita Ramchandra Swami temple is also from Telangana. Next, coming to Tripura, Tripureshwari Devi or Tripura Sundari. This temple is from Tripura. Next, coming to Uttar Pradesh, Banki Bihari temple, Kashi Vishwanath temple and Keshav Deva temple. This temple is destroyed by Aurangzeb in 1670. And coming to Uttarakhand, Badrinath temple, Kedarnath temple, Gangotri temple, Yamunotri temple. These are few important temples from Uttarakhand. And few more temples from Uttarakhand are Hariki Pauri temple, Here you can see the image. And Naina Devi temple from Nainital. And Dari Devi temple is also from Uttarakhand. Nilakant temple is also from Uttarakhand. Coming to West Bengal, Dakshineshwar Kali temple and Kalighat Kali temple, these two temples are important from West Bengal. That's all. Thank you. If you want tricks to remember all these temples, I will upload a video in Telugu. Let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe, do like and share this video with your friends. Thank you guys. Meet you in the next video.